So, some of you might already have noticed that we have this new course on MedicoVisual.com, and this is Premium 3D General Embryology Masterclass. And if you go into enroll now, you will notice that we have the free version of this course as well as a premium or paid version of this course. And along with that, you can also watch all these general embryology videos directly from my YouTube channel. Let me show you. So we have this playlist of general embryology on my YouTube channel, and all these videos that are in this course, they are also available here on YouTube. So what is the difference between watching the general embryology videos from YouTube directly and watching them in the free version of this course or in the paid version of this course? Let me tell you. So initially, when I started creating these videos on YouTube, I was using an entry level Boya microphone, and my room was also not treated. Even today it is not very well treated. I have put some foams here and there, but it is not a perfect room for audio recording. But anyhow, now I have better microphone for the recording. So at that time, you see, the quality of the audio was terrible. Let me show you the sample. But then I enhanced those videos, these general embryology videos, with this amazing tool from Adobe Podcast, and it is called enhanced speech from Adobe Podcast. Some of you people might have already known this AI tool. This is really amazing. I used its paid version because it allows me to directly upload the videos, and it directly enhances the audio from the video. I do not have to split the video into audio and then re-merge the video and all that technical stuff. It's very easy to use and it's amazing tool. I'm not sponsored by the software. I'm not being sponsored by Adobe, but I just love this tool, so I just wanted to give it credit. So anyhow, let's compare the audio quality from the YouTube and from the video from this course that I created on MedicoVisual. And by the way, this enhanced audio is available even in the free course. Even if you don't pay MedicoVisual anything, you can just enroll in this free course, which you don't have to pay anything to get the better quality audio, the AI enhanced audio. So let me share a sample. So here is the quality, the original quality with the cheaper microphone that I used earlier, and then I will show you the better version.
Rather than interior visceral endoderm. Actually, this name is given to this structure by the mouse embryologist, and in mouse, this structure is not just cranial but it is also interior. Well, let's see how.
Oh, that sounded terrible, so much echo and stuff. So now let's see the AI enhanced version of the same audio.
Rather than interior visceral endoderm. Actually, this name is given to this structure by the mouse embryologist, and in mouse, this structure is not just cranial but it is also interior. Well, let's see how. So here is a mouse and it has to pass through this door. The first structure of his body that will cross the door is its head.
So this is so nice, much cleaner, much crisper audio. And that is the first difference between watching on YouTube and enrolling in the course. Whether it is free course or whether it is paid course, you will get the AI enhanced audio quality in both the courses. The reason I didn't upload all these videos again on YouTube is twofold. First, if I delete these previous videos and I upload the enhanced videos again, then all my views, all my watch time and stats of my channel, it will be lost. So that is not what I want. The other thing is that if I do not delete these videos, I re-upload the AI enhanced videos, that might trigger the AI algorithm of the YouTube, and it might flag my videos for reused content. That is basically a violation of YouTube's terms of service, so I can't do that. So if you are watching my videos on YouTube, I strongly recommend watching on MedicoVisual. If you cannot afford or if you do not want to pay me, no worries. You can just go here. You can enroll in the free course. Simply enroll in this free version, and then you can watch the AI enhanced version of these videos with much better audio quality. And by the way, whether you watch on YouTube or you watch on free or premium version, in any case, you will get these AI generated but human verified subtitles. So all these subtitles, there might be a few mistakes here and there, but most of them I have cross-checked, so there might be very few mistakes in these subtitles. So you will get all these subtitles on YouTube as well as on medicovisual.com. So this was the major difference between the free version or and the YouTube version, right? Basically, it's the audio quality. Of course, there are certain other differences here. I have created this table and you can see that. I won't bore you with all the details. The other difference is between the free and paid version of the same course. So this is basically the paid version. So here you will also get the quiz, and quiz includes the explanation as well. So you will get these practice MCQs. So whatever you select, you will get the explanation with it, right? So you will get these practice MCQs alongside, right? So this is one advantage of buying the paid version. The other thing is that um, every course is followed by almost every, not course, every lesson. Almost every lesson is followed by the lesson summaries. And by the way, we have timestamps here as well. And these timestamps are also available on YouTube. So if you want to know what is the difference between somites and somitomeres, you just click here and it will take you directly to that part of the video into somites. Right. So along with that, we also have these summaries, and these lecture summaries, they are basically AI generated, but they are human edited and human verified. So I have personally verified these. So this is nice for the review. And but yeah, there is one drawback, that we do not have diagrams here at the moment. Later on, I will also publish the complete PDF notes of the this lectures of this course, but right now the PDF notes are not available. Please keep that in mind. We do not have PDF notes of general embryology anywhere, even on the paid lectures, right? So so two of these main differences, main goodies that you will get on the paid version is that you will get practice MCQs, you will get lesson summaries, and of course, you will get the progress tracking on the whether it is free or whether it is the paid course. Secondly, here I have tried something new, the 3D tour. So these are the interactive 3D models. Right now, only one animated 3D model is available. In future, I might add more models if this one works fine. And by the way, please give me the feedback if you buy the paid course. It is only available in the paid course. So you see, you can move around, you can zoom in, right? You can zoom in. This one is amazing. You can rotate, you can zoom in. It's not perfect. That is why it is still in beta, but we have this experimental 3D model available of the craniocaudal folding. So I might as well add our transverse folding 3D animated models too. You can toggle off the labels. But keep this in mind that it only works on relatively powerful devices. It might lag on the lower end devices. So these were a few differences between all these three types of general embryology courses. So you can watch on YouTube, you can enroll on in a free course, or you can buy them, buy the paid one. And if you really want to support us, you should buy the paid one. And if you want to support even more, and if you want even better value, then the best one is you can buy the embryology bundle. By the way, it is not system based. Now we have general embryology here as well, so I will edit this one out. So we have this embryology bundle, and it consists of all of the courses of embryology. The paid version of general embryology, the paid version of neuroembryology, and the skin is already free. Musculoskeleton, it is paid. So all these courses, all the courses of embryology, basically all those that are available, all of them are included in the embryology bundle, and its price is only $29. So you can buy this course as well if you want. Of course, it's not mandatory. If you like it, then you can buy that. If you do not, it's up to you, no worries. um, and yeah, on top of that, if you want even more discount, put the coupon code YouTube at checkout for a flat 20% discount. You can put this coupon and while buying the embryology bundle, or even when you buy an individual course, doesn't matter, you will always get a flat 20% discount, sometimes 15% for some courses. For the others, it is 20% discount. So that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.